not over this camera.
Okay, one more, Sarah, one more.
What's up guys, it's Sarah X. If you're new here, I'm Sarah, I'm 24 years old. I currently live in San Francisco, and welcome to another week in my life. Guys, I got some more sports gear that I want to show you, because I'm excited about it. Oh, wait a minute. This Frisbee is so pretty. It's like blue and glittery. I'm kind of obsessed. And this was not really expensive, and I got it on Amazon, and it's pretty like heavy. I like this a lot. Ooh, my tennis balls came in, because you know I have my tennis rackets, but I didn't have tennis balls. And now I have my Wilson tennis balls. And then there's this other box, and I'm not really sure what it is. I think it's a volleyball. Wilson Soft Play official size and weight volleyball. Ooh. Smells like the gym. Hit me up if you need recreational sports items. I'm getting my first camera. Meanwhile, Peter also got a package. What did you get, Peter?
I'm getting my 100th cranberry juice.
Peter's cranberry juice has arrived. What flavor?
White cranberry.
Nice. It couldn't just be in one box. It's just so extra. Okay, I was supposed to wait for Peter to open this package, but he's taking forever, so I'm gonna open it without him. This is such a monumental moment, guys. The fact that I get to upgrade to a camera. I'm so hyped. I can't. This is everything to me. I don't think you understand. I've never owned a camera before. Barely know how to use one, to be honest, but we're gonna learn. Guys, I got the like set. There's so many pieces involved in this set. The first thing, video, microphone, camera, universal. So I suppose I can use this to make audio better. The hand grip, ooh, stabilizer tripod. I actually need that for vlogs. It also came with a card reader. Why is it empty? I think this is the card reader. All-in-one USB something. I bet this is important. This is poorly packaged though. Why is everything out of the bag? The Ultimax Universal LED video light. It looks like this goes on top of the camera to give you better lighting. 128 gigabyte disc thing. I think it's like lens caps and stuff. Also comes with a case. Check out this case. This is so legit. And then you can even hold it like that. What is this? Star of the show. We have the Canon EOS M50. My fellow YouTuber and friend Crystal recommended this to me. I didn't even question it, and I kind of just got it. So let's open it up. I think I'm still gonna have to use my phone for some vlogs if I just like can't bring my camera with me. But when I can, I want to use the Canon. There's also a lot in this box. This, which is like a rope. There's this, which is a battery, I think. A lens, 0.25 m-0.8 feet. There's this, which is the charger. Check out this baby. It's beautiful. This is gonna up my game so much. This is perfect because when I film vlogs, I just go like this and I can still see myself. That's so sleek. I'm a camera owner now. Hello. So today is Friday and we're actually doing a little bit of a brunch on the rooftop, just like during our lunch break. And we're just meeting up with some other people we live with, doing a bit of a potluck. I'm gonna bring some orange juice. I think people are making healthy dishes. And I'm just gonna take you along because our rooftop is really nice. Wow, I'm not over this camera. It just looks so much better. Peter, what are you doing?
Making eggs.
Making straight up. Ew, it sounds kind of gross.
I'm making a swimming pool.
Check out all the eggs.
Guys, this is our snack.
Oh god. We're out on the roof. It's actually super sunny. I can barely open my eyes. Andrew, say hi to the vlog.
What up, what up?
Andrew's coordinating this. He also has a YouTube channel at Microbrew. Whoa!
Yeah, so we have some sweet sticky rice, some toasted coconut flakes.
Oh wait, I
some
forgot my orange
mango.
juice. I need to go get my orange juice. I'm sorry. Okay.
Yeah, I
That looks
gotta go
amazing.
grab plates and bowls and stuff.
Ooh, check out this bread. Jordan, you look like you're about to go to the beach.
Oh, 42 egg scramble.
Oh! Why isn't it focusing? Whoa! Squad's all here. Guys, take a seat. Get a plate, take a seat.
I have my tripod so we can take it.
Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. This is Peter here. We're having brunch today on the rooftop. I'm doing a cool shot where I zoom into the food.
Boz, I just got a camera.
I can tell.
I'm zooming in on your face. Alright, we got a new dish. Check it out.
I had pasta. Is it like Weenie Chew? Oh, you're joking.
Hannah with food
That
cracks
big
me
ass,
up.
Like Weenie meat.
Like, I thought I liked food, but then I met Hannah.
They just be like, you don't eat shit. I'm like, you don't know me.
It does match. It's alright. I love that.
Oh my god! This way.
Maggie's here.
Oh my
All
god!
for you, Anthony. Happy birthday!
Oh my fucking god! Like, what? Like,
Anthony,
you all knew about this?
we appreciate you. We love you. What's up, guys? It's Saturday morning, and we are about to go brunch at Raw Sugar Factory, which is apparently a Thai place. Oh, yeah. That's so good. You got a classic breakfast, didn't you?
I also got the pancakes.
Amazing.
It's like a souffle pancake.
So cool. Okay, we're about to go to a Holi event. Foz bought all the colors, and we're about to get really dirty up in here, but it's gonna be fun. We are at the Holi thing. There's stuff going on behind me. I'm chilling for a little bit, but then we're about to go get colored. It's starting! It is starting, guys. What's up?
Okay. Oh shit! Why did you throw it at me? What the hell? I'm gonna get an RT shot. Boom! Where is he? Oh, is he sad?
I don't know. He's just like.
Okay, one more, Sarah. One more.
Okay. No, is he?
Yeah.
Pikachu, send it to me.
Okay.
Like and subscribe. Pikachu, come here. Woo! We're kind of a mess right now. Wow. Oh, you like the water? Oh. You like the water?
Okay, so just got back from the Holi situation. Look at my hair. There's like, oh my goodness. Stuff falling out. My face looks like I just lived in the wilderness for a little bit. And we're gonna take a shower. Let's just say that.
What's up, guys? I'm in Dave's van. He's living the van life, and I'm about to give you a tour. Whoa! Okay, so this is how he cooks.
This is like the least convenient stove because you have to preheat it, and it looks like you're about to set the place.
Yeah. Has anyone called you out?
I got told to leave once.
Okay. Okay, so the main feature of the van is this erg. Because we're all about that rowing life here. The roof, which apparently opens. And we have a nice storage thing over here. A guitar. And this is the bed that I'm on. Any other features I'm missing? We have water. What's your favorite feature?
There's a BMX bike.
Oh.
That's my favorite.
Oh, yeah, there's a bike over there.
There are all these knobs that are purely decorative. They're not wired
Wait,
up
are you
right
serious?
now. They were for the lights, but fell apart and I never rewired them.
Oh.
What's up, guys? I feel like I didn't get like as much footage as I usually do this week just because I was trying to juggle like using the new camera, using my phone, and sometimes I just wasn't able to film. But I wanted to give you an update that I played some beach volleyball on Sunday and your girl is hella bruised from that. Do you see this? I am majorly bruised and my limbs feel like they have arthritis now. So I need to recover from that. I have started watching the show Ginny and Georgia, and I don't know where it's been my whole life because I'm obsessed with it. I haven't binged a show in a while, but I've been doing a little bit of binging, I'm not gonna lie. I love it. I am obsessed. If you haven't seen it, you should watch it. I am also gearing up for my move to San Diego. I think I'm gonna make a whole video on how I found like housing and roommates for San Diego, and then also like, I don't know, I'm just gonna start doing that kind of stuff. I have to order my boxes for shipping, and it's just kind of weird. I only have a couple more weeks left in San Francisco, so yeah, I'm gonna miss my friends, but I'm really excited for this new adventure. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed this week's vlog, and I will see you guys in the next video. My tapestry looks so good on this camera, I'm not gonna lie.